everyone, and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. Today's video tutorial, we are going to learn how to change a color to any color in Photoshop 2024. So let's get started. Before watching this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel Design Dynamo and hit that bell icon and select all options so you will be notified whenever I release a new video content. So let's jump on in. Now guys, let's get started. First we make a selection of this dress. So let's duplicate this layer, and here I'm just going to convert this layer to smart object and make a selection by using quick selection tool. So I'm going to change the color of dress. So first we make a selection, so go to tool panel, and here I'm going to select a quick selection tool. So make a selection, just select this dress area. Hold Option key to deselect the selections. Now I'm going to zoom out to check it out other, make a perfect selection, and here just use Alt key or Option key to deselect. It's very easy to select the entire. Now guys, this dress is perfectly selected by quick selection tool, and the next step is go to layer panel, and here we're just going to create the mask. After this, go to layer panel, and downside we just add a hue and saturation layer, and right click to this and create a clipping mask. Now inside of hue and saturation adjustment layer, you will see a hand tool. Right over there, see the hand tool. All we need to do, click on that hand tool and click on her dress. After this, take the hue and saturation all the way to the right to see which color is being selected. Now you need to expand the range so that all of her dress is nicely selected. Expand the range from here and make the transition smoother. As you can see, there are some areas which are not selected properly. Maybe might have to expand it even more, just like so. So move it and drag it. Now you can bring the saturation and the hue is back to 0. And then you can work and choose any color you want. You can make it red, pink, whatever you color like this. You can also work the saturation and lightness. Now guys, this is all about how to change color of anything in Photoshop. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.